Rapunzel woke early one sunny morning, excited to paint the sunrise. But when she looked out her window, she gasped in surprise. Her tower was covered in a thick, glittering layer of ice, sparkling like diamonds in the sun. How could this happen? Rapunzel wondered aloud, touching the cold, icy walls. Her best friend Pascal, the little green chameleon, shivered beside her. Worried, Rapunzel knew she needed help. Meanwhile, in Arendelle, Queen Elsa was practicing her ice magic. Suddenly, a messenger bird from Corona flew into her window, carrying a letter from Rapunzel. Elsa, please come quickly. My tower is frozen, and I don't know why. Elsa hurried to Corona as fast as she could, using her magical ice to glide smoothly across the land. When she arrived, she saw the frozen tower and frowned. This ice is magical, but it's not mine, she told Rapunzel. Someone else must have caused it. Together, Elsa and Rapunzel examined the tower closely. Elsa gently placed her hand on the frozen walls, feeling the unfamiliar magic. It was strong, ancient, and mysterious. We must find where this magic comes from, Elsa declared. Rapunzel remembered an old story Mother Gothel once told her about the enchanted crystal cave hidden deep within the forest. Maybe the magic comes from there? Rapunzel suggested. Elsa agreed, and together they set out toward the forest. As they traveled, the forest grew darker and colder. Strange snowflakes floated around them, whispering secrets in the wind. Rapunzel felt a shiver run down her spine. Elsa, these snowflakes feel alive, she whispered nervously. Soon they found the enchanted crystal cave, its entrance glittering with ice. Inside, crystals glowed softly, illuminating the cave walls. At the center was a large crystal, shining brightly, surrounded by swirling snow. Approaching carefully, Elsa and Rapunzel heard a tiny voice cry, "Help!" They looked closely and saw a small, frightened snow fairy trapped inside the crystal. Her wings fluttered weakly. "I'm Frostina," she said softly. "I accidentally froze your tower when I was trapped." Elsa tried to melt the crystal gently, but it resisted her powers. Rapunzel thought hard, then had an idea. "Maybe my hair can help," she said, stretching out her long, golden locks toward the crystal. Her magical hair glowed warmly, shining bright against the ice. Slowly, the crystal began to thaw. Frostina smiled as she felt the warmth. "Your kindness and warmth have freed me," she cried joyfully, breaking free at last. With Frostina's freedom, the magic that froze Rapunzel's tower began to lift. Outside, the icy forest melted back to life, flowers blooming and animals scurrying happily. Elsa and Rapunzel returned to the tower, relieved to see it standing bright and sunny again. Frostina promised never to accidentally freeze anything again. "Thank you for helping me, Elsa," Rapunzel said, hugging her friend. Elsa smiled warmly. "I couldn't have done it without your quick thinking, Rapunzel," she replied. Frostina hovered nearby, giggling happily. That evening, Rapunzel, Elsa, and Frostina celebrated their victory with a picnic by the river. Pascal hopped happily among the flowers, catching butterflies. As the sun set, Rapunzel painted a picture of their adventure, capturing every magical detail. Elsa admired the painting and smiled, knowing their friendship had grown even stronger through this icy challenge. "Together, we can solve any mystery," Elsa said, holding Rapunzel's hand gently. Under the stars, the two friends promised always to help each other, no matter how big or mysterious the adventure. And from that day, Corona and Arendelle shared an even warmer friendship, thanks to the magical adventure at the Tower of Ice.